Washing your car at the right time is very important to keep it clean and shiny. If you wash it at the wrong time, water spots, streaks, or damage can happen to the paint. Here is a simple guide to help you choose the best time to wash your car and keep it protected. Washing your car in the early morning is a smart choice because the weather is usually cool and calm. The sun is not too strong, so the water and soap will not dry too quickly. This helps prevent water spots and streaks on the paint. Morning air is also cleaner and less dusty, which keeps your car looking fresh and shiny. Washing your car in the late afternoon is a good idea because the sun is lower in the sky and not as strong. The cooler temperature helps prevent water and soap from drying too fast on the surface. This reduces water spots and streaks and keeps paint looking smooth. The softer light also makes it easier to see dirt and clean your car properly. Washing your car after heavy rain is important because rainwater often leaves dirt and minerals behind. Even if the car looks clean, small particles can stick to the surface and damage the paint over time. Cleaning it soon after the rain helps remove these harmful residues. This keeps your car's finish smooth, shiny, and well protected. Washing your car after a long road trip is very important to keep it in good condition. During the journey, your car collects dust, mud, insects, and road dirt that stick to the surface. If these are not removed quickly, they can damage the paint over time. Cleaning your car soon after traveling helps maintain its shine and overall appearance. Washing your car every 2 weeks is a good habit to keep it clean and well maintained. Even if it does not look very dirty, dust and small particles slowly build up on the surface. Regular washing prevents dirt from sticking too strongly to the paint. This simple routine helps protect the finish and keeps your car looking shiny and new. After washing your car, it is important to dry it immediately to prevent water spots and streaks. Using a clean, soft towel or microfiber cloth works best for removing all the water. Letting the car air dry can leave mineral deposits that damage the paint over time. Drying your car right away keeps the surface smooth, shiny, and well protected from marks. Applying car wax, polish, or a waterless wash helps maintain your car's appearance and protection. Wax forms a barrier against dirt, dust, and sun damage, keeping the paint bright and smooth. Polish eliminates small scratches and enhances the car's shine for a polished finish. So washing your car at the right time helps protect its paint and keep it looking new.